Hey everyone, welcome to another quick tips video. We are going to discuss what is possibly the most useful iPhone feature. With iOS 17.3, there will be a new feature called Stolen Device Protection. And what that is supposed to do is, in the event that your iPhone gets stolen, then the thieves would not be able to update your Apple ID password, remote wipe your iPhone, and a bunch of other protections. So in order to enable this, you want to open settings, scroll down to Face ID and passcode, and we will just enter our passcode here. And you want to swipe down until you get to about the middle of the screen, and then you will see Stolen Device Protection. When you update to iOS 17.3, you would have the option to enable this, but in the event that you decline, this is where you can go to enable it. So hopefully this helps you and keeps all of your data secured. And as always, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.